Guys, this is June because I was born in June, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use this free software so that you can create a lot of different link tree so that you can input into your Instagram, into your Facebook as a link. Okay, so this is one of my link tree alternative where you can also use it as a digital business card. Whenever you meet someone, you can just send them a link. Like this is my link. Whenever I meet someone, if let's say I want to send them to tell them what I do, right? I will just send them to this domain where they will actually get to see, like maybe you record a short video that you just want to say hi, what's your name, what do you do, and then where you're from, and then below will be all those different digital things. Like for example, you can put like how to connect with you, what's your Facebook, what's your LinkedIn, etc. Okay, so in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use this free software called Groovefunnel or Groove Pages in order to produce the exact same page. And I'm going to give you the exact same template as you're watching right now. All you need to do is just to follow my instruction right now so that you can produce the exact same thing as me. Okay, so in order to get the same template, so right now I want you guys to hop on to my website that is called www.resources.amazingjune.com. Okay, so I'm just going to put the link down below just that in case some of you guys will miss out. It's actually resources.amazingjune.com. So when you're landing on this page, okay, basically I already give you two steps. You just need to follow these two steps. The first step is actually to click this link, say that you want to register to have a free landing page. Okay, so it's very easy. What you need to do is just to hop onto that link and then just to click get started. Don't worry, it's absolutely for free. So just click get started and then you can just register a free account and it's free forever. Okay, so just register here. Okay, once you fill up all the information, you should be able to get the lifetime free access. Okay, once you have done that, since I already registered, I wouldn't re-register again. Okay, once you have done that, just log on to this Groovefunnels and then go back to my page, that is resources.amazingjune.com. Okay, I want you to go to step number 2. Step number 2 means that you are going to take my template as you are seeing right now. Take the exact template and then import to your Groovefunnels. So means once you registered, just click on this link to import the template. So just already click on it. I'm just going to show you guys how it will look like. As you can see here, right now it's being imported to you. Okay, so it will appear in your Groovefunnel account. So right now it's very easy, right? Okay, what I need you guys to do, there are few things that you guys can configure. I'm going to give a very brief introduction about it. So you will want to change my image to yours. In order to change that, just make sure you click on it, and then can you guys see that there is a pencil button in this Groovefunnel? So just click on the pencil button in Groovefunnel, and then on the right hand side you'll be able to see that here you can customize the image. Okay, if let's say you want to change the image, just click the configure. Just change, of course, just to upload a photo and change the image. Okay, so let's assume that you just upload a photo and then just pick another image that you want to change. Okay, and then just hit select. Okay, so this is first is the photo that I want to change, and of course if let's say you want to change my name to your name, just click on it and then just change accordingly. Change here. Okay, for example, instead of junelo.co, which is my main website, you can also check me out at amazingjune.com. And of course, maybe you do not like this font, you can always change on the right hand side as well. So probably here, let us go to a bureau. Okay, yep, it looks better, right? So maybe you do not want to have the bold, you can always check the settings on the right hand side. Okay, the bold, it means that the weight, then you can go for regular. You want to unbold. All right, okay, so for this video, it's actually I hosted in YouTube as a video of me, and this video is actually a training video to teach you guys how to build authority and build personal branding fast in your niche. You guys can actually check this video training out. But let's say for your use case, you want to have your own saying hello, like my name is June, just want to connect with everyone. You can just click on this box where you'll see like the red border. Just go to click configure, and then here you just input the YouTube URL. Okay, if let's say there's a YouTube URL, right? Do not click all. Okay, so this is what you can do. I'm just going to show you guys my YouTube. Okay, my YouTube channel is called Amazing Life, so feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so when I go to my YouTube channel, and let's say this is a video that you want to change, right? You just need to hit the share button, okay? And then let's say once you hit the share button, it will include the whole link, right? You just grab the character after the slash button, okay? Which means starting from 4. Can you guys see that? 4YQM. And then after you grab that, just you can paste it over here, video ID, and then delete starting from 4M. So anything in front, I will just delete it. Okay? And then remember to click update, okay? So once you click update, it will actually update for you. So that's how you do it. So as you can see, has already been updated to the new video. Okay, so now's the fun part. So whenever you want to change all this, it's very simple. Just hover on here. Okay, and then just click the edit button, and then that's where you're able to change the text in Groovefunnels and Groove Pages, as well as change the URL that you want to link it to the Groovefunnel and Groove Pages. You can always set the open in new tab. If let's say you want to change the color and design, always go back to the design. You can always change like adding a border, like changing all the font color. Okay, but I will just keep it simple for you guys to use. Just change all this, like it's very, very simple. Let's say you want to delete a certain thing. You do not need like 6 of them. You want to delete one of them. Like I'm going to delete the last one. So you just hover over and then click the delete button. Okay? And click confirm. So that is pretty easy to do. So after that, I want you guys to hit on publish. Let's say you want to publish, right? Okay. When you are hitting on publish, that's where you want to use like Groovefunnel subdomains, where you can choose. Earlier on, I already set my subdomain as June. So what you need to do is just to pick one subdomain that works for you. You don't need to have a website. You can just pick your name as a subdomain. Okay. So that's all with having to change everything. And once you've done that, let's say your subdomain already been set. Just for example, okay. Let's see. I'm just going to pick one of the domains that I have, and then you just need to hit on publish, and then basically you're done. So I hope that this tutorial helped you guys to utilize this free funnel software, which is called Groovefunnel and Groove Pages, in order to produce a Linktree alternative. And you can actually get all these resources for free at here. And of course, this is step 1 in order for you to get this software. And the second link is go to get this template over at the step 2. And then let's say this Groovefunnel also they have like some other features, including like Shopify alternative. You can actually get it for free at this step as well. And if let's say you guys want to know further how to utilize the entire Groovefunnel and Groove Pages absolutely for free, you don't have to pay anything, you guys can actually check on my course, which is at the step 4 at my website called AmazingJune. Sorry, where's my website? Let me get my website up. So this is my website called www.resources.amazingjune.com, where you will be able to get this template, exactly template. You can always change the background if let's say you don't like, as well as the whole training at the get free training on using this landing page builder. And it's absolutely for free. So if let's say you like this tutorial, feel free to give me a like button down below so that YouTube will actually recommend to even more people. It is a best Linktree alternative in 2021 that I find. And also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates regarding marketing, productivity, and also entrepreneurship that I always share. And also join our Facebook group at www.amazingstory.co, and look forward to see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.